Damascus?
I am.
Woo!
Hey, where are we? What's the name of the store?
We's in Adventure Damascus and Sundog Outfitter.
This was the only day for us to do this, so in my own defense, we may look like idiots going for a 17-mile bike ride in the rain, but I think it's going to be kind of fun, and it's always an adventure. No, you come in my picture. Where are we?
We're at Damascus at the Creeper Trail Bike Shop, ready to have a blast.
And are you going to come bike with me today?
Why, yes I am.
All right, that sounds
Outstanding.
game on. Let's have fun.
Let's go.
Hey, you know what I figured out? What? You told me that was a gnome up there. Yeah. You know what?
Karen. Oh, you're looking awfully cute. Pretty overlook here. Oh, well, I'll see you there. Sounds like breakfast is coming.
8 miles?
Away from here?
Yeah, down here.
All right. We'll see you there. And this long bridge coming up is what we hiked over the other day. Do you see on the fence post on the left, there is a white blaze. And then over here is the double blaze, and the white Appalachian Trail goes down this trail. So kind of fun to come back on bike. I'm riding my bike on the Appalachian Trail. I can't believe it. Woohoo! Boy, this is easier than hiking. At least going downhill like we are. Probably wouldn't be going uphill, but it's lovely on here. That was. Let's go get cake.
That was 8 miles?
All right, we're at the Creekside Cafe having a little lunch, torturing Karen. Because you don't come onto the Appalachian Trail without us torturing. This is like hazing. I feel like we're initiating you.
Yes.
Jason, you're getting the same treatment. And I just had to show you, Jason just got up, and this is what our backs are looking like, all that dirt. So we're not keeping clean today, that's for sure. To finish our bike ride, I think we have another 6 miles to go. And it's raining for real. So, oh well, it is what it is. Let's go finish this up in the rain. It's gonna be dirty.